Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, we have found a pile of Hot Wheels. We're going to dig in here and show you what we got. I believe most of these would be in case. When we found them, they had a nearby Walmart had a big box bin, and these were all dumped in, and it took about a half hour to go through. But let's go ahead and reset up the camera and we'll show you what we got. Won't take up too much of your time, but real quick, like I say, in case. We found this another color variation of this 52 Chevy pickup in the Hot Wheels Flame series. Primer gray with flames. Another in case. This is another version of the custom 18 Ford Mustang. I got two of these. I'm actually going to do a wheel swap. I'm going to do a white set of wheels on one and the black wheels on the other. So that's coming. I picked up a couple of those. 88 Honda Crx. One of the funnest little cars I used to own in real life. I had one of these. This one's black on black. This is out of the, I guess, the premiums. Cost a little more, a little nicer vehicle. I picked up one of these Toyota Land Cruisers, 1980 Land Cruisers. These are pretty neat. I've actually found one. They're over there. They have no tampos on the side. It's still down in a bag somewhere, so I didn't dig it out. The Troca, I think I pronounced that right, out of the Art Car series, another color variation of it. I'm thinking about taking one of these and doing a repaint, strip and repaint with a different set of wheels. Really like those. 87 Buick Regal Gnx. And once again, I've been fussing for a while about we can't get no new drops in this area. There's just nothing coming around. And I walk in there the other day and there was some in case. 15 Mazda Miata Mx5, another color variation of this, and probably one of the better looking cars, the gray and white with black wheels out of the Then and Now series. Sorry about the glare. Some people may have seen some of these by now and some haven't. And I picked up another one of these Civics. I just done a wheel swap video. I will put right up here in the corner. I'll put a link to the wheel swap video on this if y'all haven't seen it. Please check it out. This car here I picked up. I don't like these type cars, but I got it just so I'd have it. The 94 Bugatti. I don't like foreign European cars. I don't like the mid-engine cars, but kind of like the color on this one and the wheel setup, so I went ahead and got it just to say I have it. The 21 Ford Bronco, and yet another color variation of it. I have several of the blues, so really like this one. Picked it up as well. Here is one of my favorite that I picked out of here, a 67 Oldsmobile 442. I'm sure some people in the Gulf livery, I'm sure some people have seen it. The Muscle Mania series, really like this car. Love the Gulf livery. Alright, we got a 17 Ford Raptor in yet another color. That looks really good. Got the, not the mud tires. Let's just put it this way. I don't like the mud tires on these trucks, so any of these trucks. One more of the mainline series that I got, the 98 Subaru Impreza. Really like this little old car. Love the color variation on it. Now, I got into the M2s, the gassers, a 1966 Ford Mustang gasser. No, it's not a chase piece, unfortunately, but really like these. I've got some gasser videos on here that I took down to the local dragway. I'll put some videos once again up here in the upper corner, and if y'all want to check those out. The Just Truck series, a 2008 Ford F350. I've got a 2000 Ford F350 dually, and I saw this and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna take that home. I like that. Out of the Jadas. Now for something a little extra. Was at a truck show a couple of weeks ago. Matter of fact, the C10s in the Valley truck show, and a guy was set up selling Hot Wheels, and I got into finding some of these things. I got another color variation of the 52 Chevy. Not really crazy about that color, but I don't have it, so there it is. Then I got into finding some of the 49 Volkswagen. Let me go ahead, the Beetle Pickup. I had never seen these before. Never seen those castings ever. One being the Moon Eyes edition. I just hadn't seen these. I don't know where I'd been. Completely the cards, some of them's kind of rough, but I like them. I went ahead and picked them up. Okay, then we got some of the Datsun 620s. I got three variations of it. Got a black one, seemed like a primer brown one, and then this green one with a 73 meatball on the side of it. Let me get it in focus. I'm sorry I had that one up there. There we go. That's got them all. I got 3 color variations of that. 3 different years. I don't know. I could turn them around and find out what year they are, but seen those. Cases aren't wonderful, but I picked them up. And this one here, last but not least, I picked up an 83 Chevrolet Silverado square body with some kind of weird deco on the side of it. Now the Art Car series. Love these square body trucks. I'd like to have another one or two. They're so rare when I find them, but I'd like to have another one or two to strip down, do my own paint, change the wheels out, but I'll find some. But anyway, that's a quick video. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Check out the rest of my channel. I'm going to leave some links at the bottom, some links to other channels that I follow, some links to some of my Hot Wheels videos, customized, that I've customized some cars and stuff. So anyway, like I said, please like, share, subscribe. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.